Hey guys, my name is Justin.
My name is Shay. Thanks for watching.
So today what we're going to be doing, is the thing that's trending right now, trying to explode a watermelon.
With rubber bands.
And we watched Brandon Farris do this, so we're gonna try it.
Yeah, it was really funny. It exploded everywhere, so.
Let's get started.
Okay. We have over 600, or we have like 600 rubber bands.
That was 804, no 604. I don't know.
It's hard to get on.
Millie don't like rubber bands, does she? I'd be so mad if he exploded right on me.
This could take a while. We've already got quite a few on there, honestly. It's already getting pretty.
Melly, get up.
Melly! She's so lazy. Melly. Melly! Sorry. There you go, Melly.
I wonder if my hands are getting stronger.
Probably not.
Will this whole top like fly off?
Yeah, it's gonna go.
I would not want to be this watermelon. You grab that side? No.
Justin, are you sure about this?
Yes, go. Ah, no!
BuzzFeed did this and it took like over 500 rubber bands. And I don't have that kind of patience.
I kind of want to sit down now.
Yeah, can we sit down?
Go get chairs.
Okay. Don't bust while we're done.
Goodbye, you get a chair.
No, come get your chair.
No, you'll get a chair and I'll do this because I can go fast.
Okay, go get your chair. You ignorant rubber band. I can't wait when you do that and then it explodes.
If it explodes, I'd cry.
It exploded in my lap. Okay, can I do some?
If we just had one person doing it, I think I would have it done.
Melly, just for
Ouch! See, you took my hair in there. Look at that.
Wow! Hold it tight. Hold Melly. Hold that melon. Oh!
Toughen up.
Oh my goodness, you were the one who just screamed.
Your hair got caught.
throw the watermelon.
Watermelon.
Jesus, hallelujah. Oh, Nelly, just sit there. Okay.
I can hear it.
I
Wait,
think it's
wait,
that
wait.
too.
Hang on.
You sure?
Get your camera. Oh my goodness, look. Do it again.
Cigarette. Scared me. Come on, let's keep going. Let's keep going. It's not.
Look.
Turn it over.
Oh, it's about to blow.
It won't blow. We gotta keep doing it. Right?
Just keep going.
Oh, I'm feeling juicy. Ow!
That looks like a good one.
Did you see that busted me in the face?
Let me see. It's probably gonna hit one of us in the face.
Hopefully you.
Razor.
It like blew up at a minute we didn't think it was gonna blow up.
I won the trophy. The circulation, wait, you know, in your arms. This is a good thing for science. Like, you know, your whole body will pop. Like if you leave a ponytail on your wrist too long, it'll pop.
That's not science.
Or
That's right.
just in science.
This is really good, actually.
I love that watermelon. We should not have wasted it. I'm so mad.
Thanks for watching, guys. We love
I
y'all.
hope you enjoy that watermelon-y video.
In the next video, you'll probably see me with the black eye.
Yeah, it blew up and hit him in the eye.
Anyways,
I said it was gonna hit someone in the face.
thank you guys for watching. Sorry we were like kind of boring. We were impatient. Very.
Patient.
So,
Impatient.
we love you guys. Oh, impatient. Don't forget to like and subscribe and don't forget to comment. And now it's time for shout out winner. Drum roll. Okay, April D. Long 82. Congratulations.
April!
We love you, April. Thanks for joining the JS Squad. Well, when you subscribe, you're already in the JS Squad. But here we go again. Thank you. We love you guys.
If you want to win the next shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, and comment done on our latest post on Instagram.
Okay, we love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.